Students are often worried about their study, especially near examination. Especially setting an effective study timetable before exams is crucial for maximizing productivity. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Assess your syllabus and subjects. List all subjects and topics that need revision. Identify weak areas that need extra time. 2. Set priorities. Allocate more time to difficult subjects. Consider the exam schedule and revise subjects in order of their exam dates. 3. Create a daily study plan. Morning, revise tough topics. Mind is fresh. Afternoon, practice questions or problem solving. Evening, revise notes or lighter subjects. Night, quick review before sleeping. 4. Use time blocks. Pomodoro technique. Study in 50-minute sessions with 10-minute breaks. Take a longer break after every 2 to 3 hours. 5. Include practice and revision. Solve past papers or mock tests. Revise short notes and key formulas regularly. 6. Stay consistent and avoid cramming. Stick to the timetable strictly. Sleep well and eat healthily for better concentration. Here's a sample study timetable for a student preparing for exams with 4 subjects: math, science, English, and history. You can adjust it based on your subjects and preferences. Study timetable 1 week before exams. Additional tips: rotate difficult subjects in the morning when your mind is fresh. Include revision and mock tests in your schedule. Follow the Pomodoro technique: 50 minutes study plus 10-minute break. Avoid distractions and take care of your health.